Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into KeyBank Mobile, quick access step by step clearly. Open your mobile device. Locate the KeyBank mobile app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the KeyBank app icon to launch it. Wait for the app to load. Once the app is open, look for the login section. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Tap on the password field. Input your password carefully. Check for any typos before proceeding. After entering your credentials, find the Sign In button. Tap the Sign In button to access your account. If you have enabled biometric login, you may see an option to use your fingerprint or facial recognition. You can also choose to remember your user ID for future logins. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts provided to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, take a moment to navigate the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different features available. You are now ready to manage your KeyBank account through the mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.